Assalamualaikum guys and welcome back to my channel. This is video number 2 and the first thing that I am going to make sure I do today is actually look in the camera. In my last video मैं पूरा वक्त अपने आप को देख रही थी. I don't know if anyone else noticed but I definitely noticed. It was so funny for me that I was not looking in the camera the whole time. The other thing I'm going to do is speak a little louder. I don't have a mic yet but I will try my best कि मैं ऊंचा बोलूँ. I know मेरी आवाज़ बहुत धीमी है and sometimes people get annoyed by it. I will try to just speak as loud as possible. This is another very spontaneous video. I sat down to film a completely different video, but then someone sent a message saying, oh, can you talk about this? And I thought, you know what? My experience was so well, now that I look back on it, it was something I learned a lot from, but at that time it was so like difficult for me to go through that phase. और मुझे लगता था मैं दुनिया की वाहिद इंसान हूँ जिसको नौकरी नहीं मिली एक अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी से अच्छा GPA लेके निकलने के बाद. So there must be something wrong with me. For those of you who don't know, I graduated from LUMS. I have a bachelor's degree in political science and I graduated in 2015. जैसे ही मैंने graduate किया मुझे उसके लगभग एक महीने बाद एक जॉब मिल गई. I started working at an organization. Generally जब आप political science या कोई भी डिग्री करते हैं तो आपके कुछ you have some goals कि मैंने कहाँ कहाँ काम करना है. So I had a list of organizations जहाँ पे मैं apply कर रही थी that those were not working out, but then a very small organization I got hired at. And I did not like my job. I was one of the only women in the office and that was very alienating for me. सारे आदमी lunch पे इकट्ठा बैठते थे, मैं अलग होती थी. It was just not the right environment for me. The work itself I felt was not very intellectually stimulating, which now I realize कि जब आप करियर के शुरू में होते हैं तो आपका काम कभी कभार बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं होता. So I was not happy with the job and then what happened was it was 6 दिन हफ्ते में काम करना था. It was very well paying but you had to work 6 days a week and there were no like 14th August की छुट्टी नहीं थी and I had planned to go somewhere on 14th August and my boss, who till this point was pretty nice, told me no, you can't take 14th August off और अगर आपको छुट्टी चाहिए you have to resign. And I had been working at this place for over a month now only. So I was very confused कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. I knew this is not a job जो मुझे अगले 4 साल करनी है, but at the same time I was very grateful to have that job because जब मैं अप्लाई करी थी लम्स की मेरे साथ बहुत और एप्लीकेंट्स थे जिनको नहीं मिली थी. So I knew I'm lucky to have this job, but do I want to be in this environment for very long? And I thought about it and I thought आज 14th August है, कल किसी और इवेंट पे फिर यही मसला पड़ेगा. Anyway, I'm not happy with the work environment और मैं सबसे बड़ी बात अपने काम के साथ खुश नहीं हूँ. I don't like what I'm doing. So I made the difficult decision and I quit with the hope कि मुझे इससे बेहतर कुछ मिल जाएगा. And boy was I wrong. Not only that उससे बेहतर कुछ नहीं मिला, मुझे कोई जॉब नहीं मिली. I had graduated from a good university. I had a good degree and a good GPA. I had internships. I was the president of the feminist society. So I really thought कि यार मतलब मेरा तो सीन सेट है, मुझे कुछ ना कुछ मिल जाएगा. And I kept applying and applying and I did not find anything. और हमारे माशरे में लोगों का फेवरेट काम है आपसे पूछना जब आप ग्रेजुएट कर जाएं कि बेटा नौकरी लगी या नहीं. And it's very embarrassing to say कि नहीं मेरी तो अभी तक नहीं लगी. एक महीना गुजर गया, 2 महीने गुजर गए, 3 महीने गुजर गए. आई स्टार्टेड टू गेट वेरी डिप्रेस्ड कि अब मैं क्या करूँ. Anyway, I would say that was the most difficult time in my life because I felt like a loser. I felt like there's something wrong with me because everyone else has jobs और मुझे नहीं मिल रही. And I was just in a very bad place in life. Overall, I was single and there's so much pressure at that point to get married. I will do another video on that because I know that's something so many people want to hear about as well. So yeah, that I would say was the most difficult time of my life, but there were some important lessons that I learned. The first is that your value does not come from the job that you have. मेरे इर्द गिर्द बहुत लोग जिनको बहुत अच्छी जॉब्स भी मिली, but now that I look back, I think मैंने ज़िंदगी में जो सीखा शायद उन्होंने भी उतना ही सीखा हो या शायद मैंने रिजेक्शन से ज़्यादा सीख लिया हो. आई लर्न हाउ टू बी सेल्फ रिलायंट. आई लर्न कि मुझे द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एसेट आई हैव इज़ माई ब्रेन एंड इफ़ आई वॉन्ट टू be occupied and be busy and succeed, I have to rely on myself because I may or may not get a job. The other thing that I realized was that my mental health comes first. और जो लोग बार बार सवाल पूछ के आपको तंग भी नहीं, but who make you uncomfortable, it's important to detach from those people. They can be your ex-colleagues, they can be class fellows, they can be your family members even. But if someone is constantly asking तुम्हें नौकरी मिली क्यों नहीं मिली ये वो, it's okay if you don't reply to those messages. It's okay if you end those friendships. It's more important to have your own peace. The other thing I found very important at that time was at a time like that, not just that you need your close friends, you need yourself to be kind to you. मैं बहुत दफ़ा I would be so angry at myself, like how are you so stupid, why can't you find a job, सबको job मिल जाती है, तुम्हें क्यों नहीं मिल रही. एंड मैंने ये नोट करना शुरू किया, जब भी मैं अपने आप से इस टोन में बात करती थी, आई वुड जस्ट बी सो डिप्रेस्ड, बट कोई रिजल्ट नहीं आता था. सो देन आई थॉट वाई नॉट ट्राई टू बी काइंड टू माई सेल्फ, एंड आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग थिंग्स दैट वर मोर इन्जॉयबल फॉर मी. आई स्टार्टेड मेडिटेटिंग. उस समय में मैं रोज़ योगा करती थी, एंड आई यूज टू फाइंड दैट सो रिलैक्सिंग. That's also the time when I started doing skincare routine. I started working out at that point because I felt that helped me relieve my stress. And finally I thought, okay, I am not finding a job, what else can I do? Because आप उसी पोजीशन में आप 2 साल भी बैठ सकते हैं और आप रोज सकते हैं कि मुझे नौकरी क्यों नहीं मिल रही. बट द रियलिटी वॉज आई ग्रेजुएटेड, आई वॉन्टेड टू वर्क इन अ फील्ड जहाँ पे इतनी नौकरियाँ नहीं थी. मुझे एक जॉब मिली, वो मुझे पसंद नहीं आई. शायद CV पे जब लोग देखते हों कि इसने 1.5 महीना जॉब की और फिर छोड़ दी, मे बी दैट समथिंग दैट वॉज अ टर्न ऑफ, आई डोंट नो. But I decided, okay, now what do I do? And that's when you need to have faith in yourself, because what I started doing was applying to scholarships. And I thought, यार अगर मुझे नौकरी नहीं मिल रही तो मुझे बाहर पढ़ने के लिए स्कॉलरशिप तो कभी भी नहीं मिलेगी. बट एट द सेम टाइम बहुत टाइम था मेरे पास, तो आई वाज लाइक ओके लेट्स अप्लाई. And I applied to a scholarship called the Shivning Scholarship. It is a fully funded scholarship to do your masters in the UK. And I got the scholarship. And after 9 months of being jobless after graduating, अगर आपको scholarship मिले fully funded, like I was mind blown. And well, the first thing was it gave me a lot of validation that I am not some useless idiot who doesn't know anything. I am a smart, talented person, और बस किस्मत में नहीं था तब नौकरी करना. That was the first thing. And of course, getting a scholarship opens a lot of doors for you. So I went for my masters. I came back and I thought, okay, this time like I am sorted and I will find a job. And I came back, and 1 whole year I didn't find another job, because everything I would interview for, it was not like, again I would interview, but I knew कि 100 लोग भी interview कर रहे हैं, मेरे पास कोई job experience भी नहीं था. So again I spent that whole year just waiting and thinking. But the difference between that year and this year was I was kinder to myself. I would tell myself, listen, if someone doesn't hire you, it's their loss. You know that you're a smart person, you know you will be a good addition to this team. If they don't want to hire you, it's their loss. And the other thing I did was I started looking for other avenues. I thought, okay fine, मुझे नहीं मिल रही जॉब, अब मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ. So I started freelancing, और मैंने ये अपनी CV बहुत सी जगहों पे, जहाँ पे शायद मैं पहले सोचती भी ना कि मैं अप्लाई कर सकती हूँ, वहाँ पे CVs भेजनी शुरू किया और मैंने फ्रीलांस करना शुरू किया. और वहाँ से 2 चीज़ें हुई. एक तो ये कि of course थोड़ी बहुत इनकम आती थी, that's always good for you. But the other thing was I was able to build connections, and those people I am still connected to, and whenever they are looking for someone to help with a freelance project, they always get in touch with me. And I think that's something that has been really helpful for me. So the reason I'm telling you guys this whole story, first of all, is because if you have graduated or are going to graduate and are worried about a job, टेंशन लेने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. What is meant to come your way will come your way. अगर आपकी किस्मत में नहीं है, you can be the most talented person in the room and not get the job. The other thing is, whether or not you get a job is not a reflection of who you are or your intellect. It just means that the odds were not in your favor. But whatever the conditions are, you have to keep looking forward. You have to keep looking at other avenues. अगर आपको एक फील्ड में जॉब नहीं मिल रही, अपनी CV को थोड़ा सा डाइवर्सिफाई करें, कहीं और अप्लाई करें. If you are not able to find anything, try to freelance, try to start up your own small business. If you are talented, try to utilize that talent to make some money. ज़िंदगी में कभी भी एक पाथ नहीं होता कुछ भी अचीव करने के लिए. There are so many different things that you can do, but the only thing you should not do is blame yourself, because I used to blame myself and I used to think there's something wrong with me. In retrospect, I realized nothing was wrong with me. It was just not meant to be, and life has taken me in a completely different path, but I am very, very happy and okay with that. So, this is just my small story, just as a reminder, because I know a lot of you are in a similar position, especially with COVID. If you're graduating now और अगर आपको नौकरी नहीं मिल रही, इसमें तो किसी आपकी बिल्कुल भी गलती नहीं है, because the job market is so volatile right now. And if, I mean, truly my heart goes out to everyone who's graduating right now, but I just thought I would send you this reminder that you are more than what is on your CV, and you are more than the job title that you hold. On that note, I'm going to go now, and inshallah I will be back soon with more story time slash life experience videos. I really hope that you benefit from these videos. The reason I'm making these is because I would have loved to hear किसी और का जॉबलेसनेस का एक्सपीरियंस जब मैं उस दौर में से गुजरी थी. आई थिंक मुझे उससे बहुत तसल्ली मिलती. सो आई होप कि आप लोगों को भी ऐसा ही लगा होगा. एंड थैंक यू गाइस.